You sleep for 8 hours. You drink your coffee. You take your vitamins. But you still wake up exhausted. You feel heavy. Your brain is foggy. And even the smallest task feels like climbing a mountain. Why? Doctors will tell you to sleep more. Society will tell you to work harder. But they are lying to you. You are not physically tired. You are spiritually drained. Your body isn't the problem. Your mind is under attack. In the next few minutes, I will reveal the 3 hidden reasons your energy is being stolen, and how to get it back. But be warned. This requires you to face a dark truth about yourself. Imagine your energy is a bucket of water. Every morning, you wake up with a full bucket. But before you even get out of bed, you reach for your phone. You scroll. You check notifications. You watch a 15-second video of someone else living a better life. With every swipe, you are punching a hole in your bucket. This is called dopamine frying. Your brain was designed to hunt, to build, to survive. But now, you feed it cheap entertainment. By 10 a.m., you haven't done any physical work, but your brain has processed more information than a medieval peasant did in a lifetime. No wonder you are tired. You ran a marathon in your head before breakfast. The fix: for the first hour of your day, do not touch the screen. Let your brain starve. Boredom is not the enemy. Boredom is the battery charger. Reason number 2. You are drowning in choices. What to wear, what to eat, which show to watch on Netflix. Should I reply to this text now or later? Every decision costs energy. It uses glucose in your brain. Successful men from Steve Jobs to Marcus Aurelius understood this. That is why they simplified their lives. When you waste your willpower on small, useless decisions, you have nothing left for your ambition. You aren't lazy, you are just decision bankrupt. The fix: automate your life. Eat the same breakfast, wear similar clothes. Plan your day the night before. Stop thinking about things that don't matter. Save your energy for the war that actually counts. And finally, the darkest reason of all, you are tired because you are not doing anything worth waking up for. A man without a mission is a dying man. If your only goal today is to survive or pay bills, your body will not give you energy. Why should it? Evolution only gives energy to the hunter who is chasing prey. If you have no prey, you get no power. Look at the most ambitious men in history. They worked 18 hours a day, yet they were full of fire. Why? Because they were obsessed. You don't need more sleep. You need a purpose. You need something that makes you afraid to sleep because you want to work on it so badly. So, here is your challenge for today. Stop treating the symptoms. Stop buying energy drinks. Look inside. Cut the cheap dopamine. Simplify your choices. And find a mission that sets your soul on fire. The world doesn't need another tired man. It needs you to wake up. Truly wake up.